What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to get this Samsung A10e into download mode. Now, this is used for, the phone that's got maybe corrupted software, or, if you want to install a custom OS onto the phone. I couldn't really find the button method to get into download mode, but I'm going to show you how to do it through the recovery mode. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the phone's powered off. So I'll go ahead and press the power button. I'm going to power this off. Okay. Once it's fully powered off, what I want you to do is hold the volume up and the power button together. When you see the Samsung logo, release the power button, continue to hold the volume up key. So I'm going to do both of those together. Samsung, remove my power button. I keep holding the volume up. This should jump us into the recovery menu. And now the second option is reboot to bootloader. That's what you're looking for. So I'm gonna use the volume key to navigate. I'm gonna go down to bootloader. I'm gonna select the power key. Now it's manual mode. Give it a second, and there you go. We are into download mode. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.